Smart contracts are powerful, but they have one big limitation. Their execution and data are transparent on-chain. Everything they process can be seen by anyone. Now imagine you're building a trading bot. Do you want everyone to copy your strategy? Didn't think so. Or maybe you're voting in a DAO. Do you want your vote exposed before results are final? Probably not. This is where Phat contracts come in. Phat contracts are like smart contracts, but with enhanced capabilities and better privacy. They run off-chain in something called a Trusted Execution Environment, or TEE. This lets them pull real-world data, process it with greater privacy, and send results back to the blockchain, while keeping sensitive logic and data more protected. Let's break that down. Your app can fetch data from APIs, run computations privately, and still update the blockchain transparently. Use cases? Trading bots with protected strategies. On-chain games with hidden logic. Voting systems with enhanced privacy protection. Phat contracts are expanding what smart contracts can do. Not just transparent logic, but private processing power. Now that's pushing Web3 forward. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more Web3 content that actually makes sense.